Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, welcome. My name is Jennifer Razan and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Glad you can join me here and spend just a few minutes exploring with me. Today, or more like tonight, we are going to a holiday display called Enchanted Forest of Light at the Descanso Gardens, which is pretty fitting. As you may remember, for those of you who have been here since the beginning, Descanso Gardens was the location of the very first vlog I premiered on this channel back in May of this year. So very fitting to have them as the final vlog of 2021. So with that, let's head on over to the Descanso Gardens. Alright, we made it to Descanso and now we're just heading over to the entrance and have ourselves a good time. We're looking forward to it. It's been a while since I've been here. I think the last few years or a couple years. Anyways, let's head on in. If you've never been here before, they actually have a really good restaurant you could try out during the day, so definitely recommended. A lot of these are interactive, so little kids can play, walk around. and a good night out with a churro. Alright friends, there you have it, Enchanted Forest of Light at the Descanso Gardens. It was pretty nice to see, as I haven't been here for the last few years. I went there when they first opened many years ago, and coming back this time around, it was nice to see the different changes they implemented and updates that they put on the various displays that they have around the garden. So it was pretty fun. There's definitely several interactive displays on there, so it was pretty fun for kids and adults alike. So definitely a family outing worth going. Definitely recommend it. From my perspective, I think you should go too. If you want to check out any future events at the Descanso Gardens or future dates for Enchanted, I will put the link of their website in the description so you can find out all the information you need. They did have some cafe stops along the way, so if you're hungry or want a snack, they have that on offer, as well as the restaurant that's near the entrance of the gardens. And with that, thank you so much for joining me on this final trip of the year. I hope you enjoyed it, and I enjoyed taking you guys with me. And I am looking forward to bringing you more adventures in 2022. So with that, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, as it does help my channel. And subscribe if you haven't yet, as I definitely have more adventures lined up in the new year, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. I hope you all have a good and safe New Year celebration. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.